Hello, pool players. Ron here. Welcome once again to the Pool Student Channel, and thank you very much for watching, everyone. What you're seeing me do here is I'm shooting 3 balls in rotation, but I'm not using the cue ball. I'm actually using the object ball to go off the cue ball into a pocket. This is a real good exercise. When I was turned on to this by my sparring partner, she was showing me this in an 8-ball pattern where there were lots of balls on the table. It was extremely difficult. And in fact, when I first tried it, I thought, this is probably not something for me. But as we played it, I realized the significance of this exercise. So what I decided to do is I decided to tweak it here and drop back to just 3 balls going in rotation. And why I did that is because I not only want to make my object ball, but I want to try to visualize where the cue ball will go so that I can play position from it to run out these 3. Very difficult, very, very difficult, but well worth the effort and the challenge. It really opens up your eyes to the tangent line. You see there, I drew that 1 ball right into the side pocket, almost scratched. You got to be careful of that as well. You got to think about where that cue ball is going to go, and you've got to play it. I hit it with the right speed there to move that cue ball to that side of the table, and it worked out real well. Had a very easy kiss shot into the corner. Just love this little exercise. I played with it all day today. I actually got a lot better at it as I shot it, and that's just a testament to how you can start to get a feel for, the stun, the tangent line, how to manipulate that tangent line and get the job done with a 3-ball run out. If you guys have not tried this, you've got to. Absolutely have to. This just adds another dimension to our practices. And I know some of you are well aware of this. This is actually called, there's a game, I can't remember what the name is. One of my subscribers mentioned it to me. And it does have a name. And I think it's probably shot mostly in an 8-ball type situation. So this one here, let me know if you guys have ever seen anybody do it this way. I figure after I get pretty decent at it, I could add a ball. Let's go to 4 balls and maybe eventually 5, and then so on and so on until I get to 9. I don't know if I'd ever be able to do that because of its difficulty, but it would sure be cool if I could. And you can just see there, just playing the right speed. I played that down there to the side pocket so that I would have a shot on the 2 into the side. Had I come either side of the side, I would have still had that shot. So that's how you think through this. And then here it's just a simple. I chose to go that direction. I could have gone the other direction. You have choices, but it's just what you feel at the time. There I kind of ran into my 3-ball. But it worked out good. I can draw back into the side pocket. And here, this was actually intentional. I actually wanted it to come down by that corner. The closer you can get your cue ball to a pocket, the better. And it just made for a real simple kiss shot into the corner for the run out. I'm going to let this play out at this point. If you guys have any questions or comments on this, let me know if you guys have shot this before as well. I'm sure there's going to be quite a few of you in the comments that have. It's new to me, but I sure like it. And let me know what you guys think about it. So enjoy. And once again, thank you. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.